Okay guys, this is the new rubber I just stuck on the Sur-Ron Ultra B. You can see the original there laying next to it, and you can see how beefy that thing is. That's a beast. I just wanted to cheap out for now because I just couldn't bear spending minimum $600 on a wheel set for a 18 rear, 21 front. So I decided to simply stick on some fat rubber, a 19 in the rear, and leave the front alone for now. So I just jammed this thing on there. It's a beast. And it was the least expensive, softest compound rubber I could find for the rear of this bike. It was a R-Trax Super X. I can't quite read the side of that. Let's see, Super X. Oh, I can't read that. If you guys can maybe read it. Gear, Super X gear, something like that. I'll put a link down below to it, but it is a beast in that it is, this was, if you recall, the stock was 80 by 100 by 19. This is now 120 by 80 by 19. So it's a beast. And it just fits in there, no problem. I mean, the 120 fits no problem chain-wise and swing arm-wise, as you can see, not an issue. It even slid through between the you know, the brake disc and the sprocket area, or in the frame, swing arm easily. So it wasn't an issue getting it on. I have not inflated it yet, but it looks pretty much like it's gonna look. I put a heavy duty tube in there. I didn't really want to, but that's what I had laying around and I wanted to use it up. But you can see it looks pretty good in terms of its beef. It's definitely a beast. But that's gonna make a major difference in hooking up on the sand that I ride in, and the you know, I'm trying to get, you know, jump logs and stuff like that, so I wanted to put down a lot of soft compound rubber. Well, it's fairly soft. I'm going to call it medium soft. They're saying hard to intermediate terrain, which should mean a softer compound. Softer compounds go on harder terrains, etc. Anyway, I hope this helps you guys. Again, I shoved it on the original 19-inch rim. Wasn't easy, but it wasn't as hard as I thought it was going to be, and it fits pretty good. I did add a significant amount of weight. This thing is a lug compared to the stock, so I don't know what I added. I should have weighed it, but I didn't have a good scale. It probably could be another 5-6 pounds, maybe, that much of a difference. I mean, it's definitely a chunk, but we'll see how it rides. I'll let you guys know. You can see the beef in the rear now, which is what this thing desperately needs. And again, I probably mentioned it already, but the minimum you're gonna get a wheel set for right now is that KKE $600, best case, if you can find stock. Most places are out of stock. There's a couple places with stock, but they want $650 to your door without rubber. So then you're looking at rubber, so call it $800 minimum probably just to get a new set of tires on this thing. And I'll probably do that in the future, but right now I just wanted to go cheapo. I think I spent about 70 bucks, you know, probably a tenth of what I would have spent had I gone to a wheel set, and hopefully I'll see a significant difference. Yeah, would I like a 21 front? Yes, it rolls over things easier, but again, if I'm gonna be doing tight wood stuff, climbing a lot of things, having less weight in the front to lift it up over things and kind of loft it up will be good. Maybe, who knows, maybe it'll do wheelies easier because of the mass of turning this additional weight. It'll twist the bike up instead of spin the wheel or something. We'll see what happens. I'll give you guys an update on how it rides. I hope that helps, and I'll put some links down below to what I did and what the tire is. Take care. Appreciate any likes and subscribes.